Alright, so wheat is one of the best thing that ever happened to the JavaScript world. Alright, so when it comes to creating a super fast JavaScript front end based project, so and when it also comes to bundling them, it is also really good, and it is considered as a client side bundling tool, but it is not just the whole story. So many many YouTubers will say that it is just for creating client side. If server side rendering is not your concern, then you should consider it. But if server side rendering is your concern, then you should move to Next.js when using React. Move to Next.js if you are using Vue. But that's not the whole story. So you can create server side rendering app with Vite, so you don't have to do anything. Okay, so it will come out of the box. So let me show you. So first of all, we will copy this command, and let me open the terminal, and I'll select the command prompt. So I will go to my Jira partition, and I'll do cscdjs chunk, and I will paste it here. Alright, so it will ask me the name of the project, so let's give it whatever it is just saying, or the default project name. And when you will so if you come down here, so you have other options. So if you click this, it will ask you to install create Vite extra, so you will just have to press enter. So now it will fetch it will just create install create Vite extra, and it will give you a lot of options. Okay, so it will give you server side rendering vanilla app, server side rendering Vue, React, React, solid, vanilla, Vue, Dino. Okay, these are Dino based, but these are all node based. These are Dino based, and you can obviously create a library and SSR transform. I don't know what the hell is this. And so let's say you want to create a server side rendering React app, so you can do server side SSR React. So after clicking this, it will ask you for the another option. If you want to go with just simple JavaScript, choose this one, which is already selected. So but if you want to add TypeScript, you can select this one. So I will just go with TypeScript because many people loves these days TypeScript. So let's just do this, and now I will go to cd Vite project. So let me open the VS Code here. So as you can see, it is just like a create React app, or basically a Vite project, but you will see that these two extra files. So these are just for this file is responsible for creating server side rendering app, and this side is responsible for creating client side app. Okay, so when it comes so if you will go to package.json, so you will have these commands as well, from where you can select you can choose whatever the build you want to create. Okay, you can create a client build, or if you want to do if you want to create the server side rendering build. Okay, and let me just install it. So npm install. Okay, this might take a few time because my internet connection is really slow now, but Vite is, when it comes to installing modules, Vite is really fast. So let's give it a little bit time. Okay, so while it is installing, let's explore this. So in public you have just those svg, Vite svg, and you have the same, everything's same. Okay, and okay, this is done installing, and let's run npm run dev. Okay, my project is running now. If I will click here, so it is working, right? So let's see if this is server side rendering or client side rendering. I will do line wrap. So as you can see here, this is not empty. Okay, it is showing all of the information in the source, which is actually really good for server side rendering if you want to create that. Okay, so Vite is just not for client side, Vite is also for server side rendering. All right, so you don't have to learn the new thing when it like Next.js or Next.js. Just go with Vite and it will solve 90% of your problems when it comes to server side rendering, or with anything happen to anything related to JavaScript world. Okay, so you can create packages, libraries, and it has awesome community support, and it was also created by the creator of Vue.js. And that's it for this video. See you in the next.